Okay, and now we're going to look at a new project analysis from Chapter 12. Conbig Incorporating is considering the purchase of a SciEx API 4000 triple quad mass spectrometer for $85,000. Depreciation will be straight line over 3 years. At the end of 3 years, it's expected the equipment can be sold for $35,000. The spectrometer will require an additional $5,000 in net operating working capital. The equipment will save the company $35,000 per year in operating costs. The marginal tax rate is 30%. What is the NPV of the purchase of the spectrometer if the weighted average cost of capital is 10%? Well, the first thing we figure out is the investment outlays, and that is the total outlays will be the $85,000 purchase of the spectrometer plus the $5,000 increase in net operating working capital, meaning that we have a net outflow of $90,000 in year 0. The second step, we figure out the operating cash flows for the 3 years of the project. We're going to save $35,000 a year in operating costs, which means our earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation, amortization will increase by $35,000 a year. Depreciation will be $28,333 per year. Our increase in earnings before interest and taxes will be $6,666.67 per year. Taxes at 30% will be $2,000. So earnings before interest and taxes times 1 minus taxes will be 666.67 minus 2,000 for 4,666.67 per year. We add back in depreciation of $28,333.33 so that our operating cash flows will be $33,000 a year. Our terminal cash flow, our salvage value, is $35,000. The tax on the salvage value will be $35,000 minus the remaining book value of 0 times 30% for a tax of $10,500. So the after-tax salvage value will be $24,500. We also assume recovery of net operating capital of $5,000 so that the terminal cash flow will be $29,500. Mapping out the cash flows, we have our initial outlay of minus $90,000, our operating cash flows of $33,000 a year, and then our terminal cash flow of $29,500 in year 3. So therefore, our project free cash flows will be a negative $90,000 in year 0, $33,000 in years 1 and 2, and then $62,500 in year 3. Enter our calculator. We would therefore, in the cash flow register for year 0, put a negative $90,000, $33,000 in years 1 and 2, and $62,500 in year 3. Our IY would be 10%. We would compute net present value, and we would find a net present value of $14,229.90, meaning that the purchase of the spectrometer is expected to add $14,229.90 to the value of the firm.